Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for the XIAOMI Redmi Pad. Okay, so first of all we can start from the photo mode, and right here we can change the brightness level when you tap on the screen. As you can see, you can decrease or increase the brightness level by moving this slider. We can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you take a look on the volume buttons, they are located right here. We can take the photos with them with 2 seconds shutter delay. It works the same for the volume up and the volume down. That's very simple, as you can see. When you tap on displays, we can also change the aspect ratio, so we can get the full screen on your preview, but with the 3x4 you will get always the best quality on the photos. We can also manually enable shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds, so we can decide. And also we can enable the grid lines, and they help us to take better composition of the photos. So if I want to get this plant in the middle, I can make it very easy with the lines that appears on the screen. And I think that we can also move to the settings, because we will find here a few useful options. So for example, I can recommend you to check the picture quality. It's the best to set them always to the highest quality. We can adjust the volume buttons function, so I just show you that we can use them as the 2 seconds delay, but we can also use them as a normal shutter and as zoom feature. So let me show you how it works right now. When I press volume up, I can smoothly zoom in and zoom out with the volume down button. When you go back to the settings, you can also find this option, tap to take photo, and it works like that. You can just tap on the screen and the camera is going to catch focus on the object and the photo will be taken. When you go back, we can for example turn off the shutter sound, and we can also go for the customize, where we can change the color of already activated preset. So take a look right here. As you can see, when the photo mode will be selected, or HDR, or when the HDR will be turned on, it will be highlighted on the blue. Just take a look. We can find here also other modes, like that's the short video, and when we press the volume button, I mean the shutter, we can record short video up to 15 seconds, and we can also take photos by recording or just simply zoom in and zoom out with this cool slider. Press the volume button, I mean the shutter, we can record. Right here we can also find the night mode, so when the lighting condition is not the best, I can recommend you to get this one, and you have to hold your device steady to get more light and don't blur your photo. As you can see, it takes some time to take the photo, and there is also the information that we have to keep our device steady. When you open video mode, we can quickly change from the full HD to the normal HD, so we can decide which quality you want to take videos. And that's all for the Redmi Pad. That's all camera tips and tricks for this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.